In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a proxy on Telegram desktop. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or require a proxy for whatever reason, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward manner. We're focusing on ensuring you get up and running with minimal fuss, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first want to open your Telegram desktop application. Once you have it running, shift your attention to the top left corner of the window. There, you'll find a menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that to open up the main menu. In this menu, you're looking for something labeled Settings. Select this option, and it will take you to the Settings interface where we can start customizing your connection. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down to find the section labeled Advanced. This area contains more detailed options that are not typically used by casual users, but it's where magic happens for those of us wanting to set up something like a proxy. Click on Advanced, and you should notice a range of options related to your connection settings. Here is where we zero in on the proxy settings. Depending on the version of Telegram desktop you are using, you might see different terms like connection type, connection settings, or directly use proxy. Don't worry if the wording isn't exactly as expected. The idea is to locate the section dedicated to proxy configurations. Once you identify this, you'll see an option to add a proxy. Click Add Proxy, and this is where we'll enter some details to set up our proxy connection. For this setup, we'll be working with the MT-Proto protocol, which is specific to Telegram and designed to securely transmit your messages via encrypted tunnels. You'll need to enter some specific details here. First, you'll enter the server address. For our example today, the server address is mtpro.xyz. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a port number, input 443 here, which is typically the port used for secured connections. Lastly, you'll need to enter a secret key. This key is designed to authenticate and encrypt your connection, so you'll input mtproto/mtpro.xyz mtproto as the secret. Finally, make sure to save these settings and, crucially, enable the proxy. This step will activate your new proxy configuration, allowing Telegram to route its traffic through the server you specified. And there you have it. Your proxy setup is complete, and you're ready to enjoy a more private and possibly faster connection through Telegram desktop. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly configured Telegram experience.